Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have 2016 Nissan Altima. And the problem we have it here is this key here, the key or the proximity remote, it doesn't lock and unlock the doors. This is one. He said it happened to the two keys. And he said after he changed something in the trunk, a light bulb. The second, even if the key is here, this key is proximity. When you push the button here, there is nothing, you see. You have to put the key here in order for the car to start, you see. And this is always happen when the battery is weak. But this battery is not weak. You know, like how you know the battery is not weak? We can change another battery also to try, but we have a tester here. This is a tester. You see? See? Still good. Still good. See now? That means the battery is good. The remote is good. But still, it doesn't want to work. Okay. So before we go crazy, we are going to use our console 3 Plus software. And let us diagnose this car. Okay. Close the trunk for me, please. And close the trunk and the doors. Okay. So now I'm gonna go to our software here, which is a Nissan software, Nissan Infinity Datsun. And okay, I will go to console 3 Plus. At least we have to see what's going on in the car before we go crazy and making another key and waste the key also. Maybe there is a problem on the proximity or maybe a fuse or anything. So I'm gonna diagnose all the system. Okay, Nissan Altima. Altima, we have Altima Sedan, and it's 2016. I will click here. You're gonna wait a little bit till it become a little bit gray. 2016 Altima. I'm gonna connect on it, and here it gives us the picture how it look like, and it will run the whole test. You're gonna wait a little bit. It says some. Oh, you know what happened here? He said we cannot detect anything. The reason why the ignition was not on. So please be sure your ignition have to be on. I'm gonna push it. Now the ignition is on. Let me turn this off. And now I will go for all. I'm gonna go back and I will try to confirm and do the diagnosis again. The ignition is on now. So be sure diagnosis have to run with the ignition on. Now we're gonna look for it and see what happened. Why we are not able to do. Actually, the way it's work, there are some sensors around the car and inside the car that pick the signal and send it to the body control module. And from there, it will transfer it to like ignition switch on, door lock, unlock. If it doesn't work, Okay, air flow meter sensor, that's into the engine. Okay, this car have 3 page of codes. I'm gonna make it like this so you can read it. Air flow meter sensor, air flow meter sensor, intelligent tuner communication, intelligent tuner communication. Okay, and then let me see the other page. We have a CVT jetter inspection. Transmission also have a problem. No data received from the manual. Okay, this is maybe ABS side G sensor circuit, park neutral position signal, PNP. All these are passed. Let me try to get those codes and then we'll see what happened. You see here, full page air pressure monitor. All this air pressure monitor for the tire, that's not a problem. Transmission also we have a problem here. You see, this is a transmission. You see when you come to transmission we have, and then BCM, intelligent tuner communication current. You see, we have a code for intelligent tuner communication, and that where maybe okay, I'm gonna erase all this code and then we take it from there. There is no need to make another key. Why the intelligent tuner communication? Okay, close. Now we have only CVT jetter. Start the car. The car will not start because of the key still. Okay, you have to start it by this. Right now we have a problem here. We have 2 problems. Transmission problem, CVT jetter transmission inspection. Does need a CD. As you remember before, you cannot reset this. Check engine light will come on and you have a transmission issue. But still, the key is not, the key will not detect, you see? The key will not detect. And the reason why, because of this code. C1, no tuning set, no, forget about EP dots. I'm talking about this BCM, intelligent tuner communication error. And you have intelligent tuner communication error on the BCM, you will not get any information. And the customer say, maybe this is where all the sensor they take the signal from inside outside, it go to the intelligent communication unit. Where is located? They call it intelligent tuner communication, B26FF. So what we need to do is we have to go calculate the plan. Let me see, because he say after they change the corner light, which is very funny. Oh, طلعته كله? Huh? Okay. What did they change? They changed something here? Okay. Do you have any problem here?
Slight change. The valve here.
Yeah.
This one here.
Yeah, I just want to see something. Okay. I want to see if there is something here need taken care of. Because when you say that I have a problem now, there is no communication with a special computer in this car. Huh?
Right over there.
Okay. I'm gonna write down B. B26FF. I'm gonna go analyze this one, and then based on this information that we're getting, we have to check it and be sure that something is gonna be working. If it's not working correctly, have to be replaced, but we are not going to make any keys because this is the intelligent tuner communication error. Maybe that the one that causing the ignition switch will not turn, or the remote door lock unlock is not working by the remote. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe and share, and see you in another video.